What's up guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best projector of 2023. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers, so whether it's price, performance or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Link the video, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Let's get started. We'll kick off totes. Number 5. ViewSonic PX706HD 1080p. Using a projector with poor color quality is a leading cause of eye conditions. Is this statement correct? As evidenced by various surveys, it is said that up to 90% of people agree, and 85% of them have been experiencing eye conditions related to projectors. Above all, we need devices with stable color rendering to limit the risk of adverse eye conditions. And ViewSonic PX706HD is the ideal solution I would recommend to you. It features exclusive color technology that provides a wide color gamut to produce beautiful images in almost any environment. Along with that, DLP display technology contributes to enhanced brightness and clarity of strange color details in your frame. From there, provide a lively entertainment space for you and your family members. Meanwhile, with a high brightness of 3000 lumens and a contrast ratio of 22,001, PX706HD also ensures the creation of the best picture quality to satisfy your passion. This projector can be placed just inches from a wall or screen with a short throw lens to give you a huge image. This machine is also highly flexible in its installation process. It can pair with various devices in seconds, thereby quickly synchronizing your operations. However, the most significant limitation of the machine is the ability to control the remote. It's not as responsive as I would have liked. It will be difficult for you to find the second ViewSonic PX706HD if you, unfortunately, miss it. In addition to its proprietary color technology, it can also provide you with a vast screen and flexible connectivity. Number 4. XGIMI Halo Plus 1080p Portable. Should you choose LCD or DLP display technology? As a consumer with many years of experience, I appreciate the performance of devices equipped with DLP technology. Every frame from the device is sharp, clear, and amazingly beautiful. Meanwhile, the color adjustment is subtle, up to 99% accurate to the director's wishes. For this feature, I recommend the XGIMI Halo Plus product. By choosing this model, you will have great entertainment hours. Not only possessing exclusive DLP technology, but this device also offers customers an advanced operating model. The machine has a unique design, and its long cylinder nominates the decoration of the living room space more luxuriously and politely. The machine works independently through the built-in high-capacity battery. After each full charge, you can take it anywhere and play for 2 hours straight. This feature is essential to help shape the mobility of your device so that you have more valuable experiences. This projector is powerful, but the device's remote control is relatively poor. XGIMI Halo Plus is better than any product in the display technology collection. In addition, it also offers outstanding sound quality and remarkable maneuverability. Number 3. Epson Home Cinema 2200. It's great if you have your projector with a complete look. With it in hand, you will optimize your entire experience. Recommended for this category, I present the Epson Home Cinema 2200. This device has the most impressive working model in my collection. Everything is perfect for giving you the most valuable and meaningful experience from design, picture quality, sound, or longevity. The product has a solid, innovative, and sustainable structure in terms of design. The details on the body are to reduce the weight of the machine. The Epson is compact at just about 10.5 pounds, allowing you to quickly move it to as many spaces as you want. Combined with that, it is impossible not to mention the presence of LCD technology. Advanced 3 LCD technology displays 100% of the RGB color signal for every frame. Thereby, it enables outstanding color accuracy while maintaining excellent color brightness without any rain phenomenon or color brightness issues that distract working professionals. However, its zoom function let me down. The image will not zoom according to your wishes. I highly recommend this projector model because its perfection will ensure perfection for all user requirements from you. Number 2. Optoma HD146X High Performance Projector. The Optoma HD146X stands out in versatility at an optimal cost. The current price of the evaluated product is suitable for the pocket of most consumers today. Although the price is low, the features it provides are exceptional and expensive. First, it is about the design of the product. Optoma HD146X has a good-looking appearance, with tightly and firmly linked together details to provide a medium structure, convenient to use. What's more, with a weight of just 6.2 pounds, the HD146X offers incredible versatility. You can quickly move them to your desired locations. Next, mention the device's image quality. It possesses high brightness of up to 3600 lumens and native 1080p. 1920x1080 resolution, allowing users to enjoy sharp images with high definition. From there, help minimize the negative impact on your vision. In particular, the presence of DLP display technology contributes to enhancing your photo frame's impressive color rendition. Even if it's bright colors that are intricately mixed, this device can represent them perfectly. Meanwhile, the machine's HDMI SEC technology allows control of the projector and connected devices with remote control, all via an HDMI connection to the projector's HDMI link feature. While ads may be compatible with influential games, this is not the case in reality. Its performance with adventure games or shooting is abysmal, and of course, I witnessed the whole thing. With a stable budget, Optoma HD146X is the ideal suggestion for you. If you miss it, you won't find similar products. Number 1. ViewSonic PX701-4K 4K UHD. Among projectors priced around $1,000, the ViewSonic PX701-4K is the champion. It boasts 4K resolution in comparison to other products in the same class, which mostly only offer full HD resolution. Another benefit is the 3200 ANSI lumen brightness. The projector can function flexibly in a variety of lighting conditions thanks to this high brightness. We tested watching movies both inside and outside, and the results were impressive. Even in environments with lots of natural light, colors remain vibrant and blacks are intense. The port connections of the ViewSonic PX701-4K projector. Since the projector operates in complete silence, you may install it in your bedroom without any issues. It's deserving of being a must-have option for home theater. ViewSonic PX701-4K also impressed users with a 4.2 milliseconds low input lag and 240 Hz refresh rate. These features make fast-moving images blur-free and work smoothly, making this projector a great choice for gamers and sports fans alike. ViewSonic PX701-4K is a versatile projector, suitable for both home entertainment and gaming. If you want a low-budget 4K projector, then look no further than the ViewSonic PX701-4K. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button. Press the bell icon and comment below. Check out the description to find the product links.